All, in this video, we are going to talk about communications, coordination, and last function of the management controlling. Communications. What is the meaning and importance? Communication is an exchange of facts, ideas, opinions, or emotions by two or more persons. Communications means the process of passing information and understanding from one person to another. Communication is not merely transmission of information from one person to another, but also correct interpretations and understanding by informations. Importance and purpose. Needed in the recruitment process. Needed in the area in orientation to make the people acquainted with the peer, supervisor, and with company rules and regulations. Communication is needed to enable employees to perform their functions effectively. It is needed to enable the contribution to enterprise activities. Communication helps the manager in his decision process. Communication promotes cooperation and industry peace. Communication increases manager efficiency. Coordinations. Coordinations is necessary in management of interdependence in work situation. It is synchronizations or fitting together of the independent effort of the individuals in order to attain common goals. Coordination is an essential part of all management functions of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. If manager perform these functions efficiently, expertly, he creates environment and impresses to their subordinates as well as to the top management automatically. Because as a head of his department, how best coordinates with other head of department and subordinates. Whereas members' willingness to work together by heart for certain common goal, members are expected to orient their behavior with the rest of to these goals. This is known as cooperation. Cooperation depends on emotional context, depends upon feeling towards the boss or boss towards the employees, the job and company and need for the continuing attention. But cooperation in any organization usually be ineffective, so we will not reach to the goal whatever of the members unless each one of them is informed of the behavior of others upon which he can base his own decision. This information giving is coordinations. Coordination is superior in order to cooperations. There are following types of coordinations: internal, external, vertical, and horizontal. Procedural, it establishes the line of authority, outlines the sphere of the activities, authenticity of each member of organization. Substantive, this coordination is concerned with the content of the organization activities, blueprint of engine block in the case being manufacturers, or an aspect of substantive coordinations. Whereas, what is the important technique of coordination? There are rules, procedure, and policies. The specification of rules, procedure, and policies is very common device to coordination subunit in the performance of their repetitive activity. Planning ensures coordinated effort. Hierarchy, the oldest and simplest device for achieving coordination is hierarchy or chain of communication. direct or informal contact. Committee. Already last part of the modules we have studied committee. Okay, here also we have to, because coordinations can be done in committee also. So that is the reason we have brought this part in this module also. Task force committee. A committee is a group of people who have been formally assigned some tasks or some problem for their decision and or implementation. Induction. Introducing the new employees into new social setting. His work is also coordinating mechanism. Indoctrinations. Okay, coordinations is required. Indoctrinations, a device being used in military and religious organizations where self-suicide bomb people. They have been deep level indoctrination of their suicide with the bomb, that they will get the heaven or whatever it is. Religions, military people are using indoctrination with the people. According to Gulick, a manager is a leader should develop in mind of his followers the desire and will work together for a purpose. This can be achieved when the leader succeed in transforming by indoctrinations and other means a neutral body of man into committed body is nothing but indoctrination process. Incentive, like people sharing plan incentive to subcoordinate and labor. Liaison department, large volume of contact and information between two departments and outside the organization which may help to achieve the target and objective like sales and production of the organizations and workflow. Management function controlling. This is the last function of management. Earlier we have gone through other videos, planning, organizing, controlling. Planning, organizing, directing, and now we are going to discuss controlling. Controlling means the process of measurement and corrections of performance in order to make sure the planning is altered or deviated to achieve the enterprise objective. Steps in controlling. There are following basic steps in controlling. Establishing standards. The first steps in controlling to establish the standard against which the results can be measured. Plans vary in detail and complexity, very difficult to observe carefully. So some standard to be adopted and selected points which measure of performance are made so that manager can receive signals how things are going. Measuring and comparing actual result against standard. Second part. Measurement of the performance against standard, which we have decided the original plans should ideally be done on a forward-looking basis so that deviations originally planned can be deleted in advance to their occurrence and avoided by appropriate actions like what subordinates are doing. Appraisal of actuals, expected performance is fairly easy. Controlling continuation, the last one, it is corrections, action of the deviation. Standards should reflect the various positions in an organization structure. Corrections of deviation is point at which control can be seen as a part of whole system of management and can be related to the other management functions. The points selected for control should be critical in the sense of being limiting factors in the operations or of slowing better than other factors whether plans are working out, like increasing the span of management to have the effective control. This is the controlling functions which is used to how our planning is monitoring by the people, their procedures, their strategy, whether it is going in right directions whether they are moving towards to achieve the original plan objective. This is being done by controlling functions. If any deviation of original plan, then we have to do some remedy or making some decision to correct it. Thank you. Thank you very much. This is the end of controlling this module part.